They were looking to rebrand. They were looking to expand their services and host all of the clubs. They had over 500 clubs that the student body hosted out of their workplace, and they wanted to relocate to a more central location on campus. NATSA, which is the Northern Alberta Institute of Technology Student Association, was our client, and they came to us looking to relocate, modernize, increase their space utilization, and allow them to service their student body better. There wasn't really enough space for their program, so NATSA had so many program requirements that what we needed to do is we had to start to look at ways that we could amalgamate space, take different departments and allow them to work together to share space. The floor plan was like a bowling alley, so in order to get through the space, we needed one primary corridor. We chose a diagonal circulation path through the building, and that actually really allowed us to use space a little bit differently. Also, too, it created an interesting floor plan and allowed for unique opportunities with angular spaces that sort of surprised you as you were walking through the space. They wanted right to light for everybody in the office, and some people needed to be centrally located on the floor plan, and so some ways that we chose to ensure that there was natural light is to ensure that there was clerestory windows on all those central locations. My favorite part of the design is in the lobby area in the club center. There was a large clerestory window, and it sort of was halfway in the lobby, halfway in the club's area. And so we did not want to do anything to block the light in the lobby. We didn't want to do anything to prevent any light from going. It was the only window that was coming into the club center, the lobby, the main reception area, and even spreading back into the boardroom and even into the corridor to access the space. So we cut an opening in the slats in the same shape as the window so that when light came in to the space, it came in directly without hitting the slats. They were very happy with some of the small details that we did. We have a little cafe area where there was a place for them to put plants. We use natural wood. Of course, using natural light, that's always a great way for design to feel really classic and bright. And I felt that it was very focused on the student needs and the staff that worked there to support the students. It really met their functional needs, and I think that was the priority.